Hello, friends. Welcome to our review. Today is Thursday of week 2, which means we are going to review for our test tomorrow of last week's words and this week's words. So go ahead and get that vocabulary notebook open so you can look between our words for last week and this week and see how you do on our review. Let's go ahead and get started. So which word is a synonym for disgruntled? Ooh, that was our word this week. Disgruntled is a synonym: stingy, humorous, pleased, or unhappy. What was the synonym for disgruntled? You should have said unhappy. Remember, someone who is disgruntled is angry or upset. Which word is an antonym for witty? Oh, witty was one of our words this week. This is asking for that antonym. Is it serious, selfish, funny, or wasted? What is the antonym for witty? The opposite would be serious. Remember, witty meant to have some wit or humor. So if I'm not that way, that means I'm very serious. What is the definition of dangle? This was our word from last week. Dangle. Is it to watch carefully, to hang down, to copy, or to stop or pause? What does it mean if we have something that dangles? That should be to hang down. Remember, we talked about like the cat with the yarn dangling or the earrings that dangle. They hang down and sway. Which word is a synonym for imitate? Oh, that was our word this week. Synonym for imitate. Is it to watch, grab, copy, or pause? If you remember, imitate synonym would be to copy, because that's exactly what it means. Remember, we talked about playing copycat? Imitating is to copy. What is the definition of greedy? This was our word last week. We even talked a little bit about it was a character trait. Greedy. Is it to quickly take something? To be in a bad mood? Full of humor? Or wanting more than you need? What does it mean if you're greedy? Someone is greedy is someone who wants more than you need. It's mine. I'm the best. It's my stuff. Good. All right, we have some word choices. So we have glee, which was our word last week. Snatch, our word last week. Hesitate from last week. Smudge from this week, and extravagant. You're going to fill in the blank in the next 5 sentences using those words. Again, it's glee, snatch, hesitate, smudge, and extravagant. Molly loves to help and did not blink to volunteer to sharpen pencils. Which word would go there? Molly loves to help and did not blink to volunteer to sharpen pencils. The word that would go in that blank would be hesitate. She did not hesitate because she was excited. Remember, hesitate means to pause for a moment. Well, if she's excited to be the first, she's not going to pause. She's going to jump right up. Same words. The sentence is, she was full of blank after getting 100% on her spelling test. She was full of blank after getting 100% on her spelling test. What would you be full of? You would be full of glee. Remember, glee means happy, joyful. So by getting 100, she's very happy. Same words. You need to practice your dribbling so that the other team cannot blank the ball from you. Dribbling is in basketball, with the dribble, or in soccer where you're kicking the ball back and forth. So either one it could be referring to. You need to practice your dribbling so that the other team cannot blank the ball from you. Well, if they're going to take the ball from you, our word would be to snatch. Remember, snatch means to take it quickly. So if I'm dribbling the ball in basketball, the other team's going to quickly come and try to dribble it away from me. Same thing in soccer, try to steal it. Such a large house would be too expensive and blank. Which of these words would match? Such a large house would be too expensive and, a word meaning expensive is extravagant. Remember, extravagant means more than what is needed, way more or way extra. So it's large, it's expensive, and extravagant. A drip of water caused the ink, it should have said ink, I'm sorry. A drip of water caused the ink to blank on the paper. Oh, we even use this in our sentence. What is that called when we have that paper ink moving around? You should have said a smudge. Remember, a smudge is that stain or an area where it's blotted. All right, I hope you studied for those words. Study a little bit more, and tomorrow is your test.